Question number 11. Prove that 1 plus tan square A into cot A whole divided by cosec square A equal to tan A. LHS 1 plus tan square A into cot A whole divided by cosec square A. And we have 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A from square relation. And we have to substitute sec square A instead of this 1 plus tan square A. And LHS will become sec square A into cot A whole divided by cosec square A. Then we have a reciprocal relation sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Then sec square A will be 1 by cos square A. Then quotient relation cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. And reciprocal relation cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Then cosec square A is equal to 1 by sin square A. Okay. Then we have to substitute these three relations here in the LHS part. Then sec square A will be 1 by cos square A. Cot A will be cos A by sin A. Cosec square A will be 1 by sin square A. Here cos A got cancelled. Then we will get 1 by cos A into sin A divided by 1 by sin square A. Then this sin square A will move into the numerator part. Then sin square A divided by cos A into sin A. Sin A got cancelled. Then we will get sin A by cos A, which is equal to tan A according to quotient relations. That is what our RHS. Question number 12. Prove that tan square A minus sin square A is equal to tan square A into sin square A. We have LHS tan square A minus sin square A. From quotient relation, we have sin A by cos A is equal tan A, or sin square A by cos square A is equal to tan square A. Now we can substitute sin square A by cos square A instead of this tan square A. Then LHS will be sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Denominator is different, so that we can cross multiply. 1 into sin square A minus cos square A into sin square A whole divided by cos square A into 1, that is cos square A. From these two terms, sin square A is a common factor, so we can take it outside. Then the remaining part 1 minus cos square A whole divided by cos square A. We have sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then 1 minus cos square A will be sin square A. So we can substitute this term here. Then sin square A into, instead of 1 minus cos square A, sin square A whole divided by cos square A. Sin square A by cos square A is equal to tan square A. We have this tan square A is equal sin square A by cos square A. So here also, instead of sin square A by cos square A, we can write tan square A, that into sin square A, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 13. Prove that cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cos square A into cot square A. So the LHS cot square A minus cos square A. From quotient relation, we have cos A by sin A is equal cot A. Then cos square A by sin square A will be equal to cot square A. Now we can substitute cos square A divided by sin square A instead of this cot square A. Then LHS will be cos square A by sin square A minus cos square A. Denominator is different, cross multiply. Then 1 into cos square A, cos square A. Then cos square A into sin square A, cos square A into sin square A. Whole divided by sin square A into 1, that is sin square A. Here cos square A is a common factor, take it outside. Then remaining part 1 minus sin square A whole divided by sin square A. From sin square A plus cos square A we have 1. Then cos square A will be equal to 1 minus sin square A. Substitute this term here. Then cos square A, instead of this term we can write cos square A whole divided by sin square A. Cos square A by sin square A, which is equal to cot square A. We can write cot square A here, that into cos square A, or cos square A into cot square A, which is equal to the RHS. Question number 14. Prove that cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A equal to cot square A plus cos square A. LHS cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A. And this is in the form A plus B into A minus B, where A is equal to cosec A and B is equal to sin A. We have A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. Now instead of A cosec A, that is cosec square A, minus instead of B sin A, that is B square equal sin square A. Now we have cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A from square relation, and sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A from sin square relation. Now we can substitute these two values here. Then cos square A will become 1 plus cot square A minus instead of sin square A 1 minus cos square A. Now we can expand these terms. 1 plus cot square A minus of 1 minus of minus cos square, that is plus cos square A. 1 and plus 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. Then cot square A plus cos square A. That is what we have to prove. That is equal to our RHS. Now question number 15. Prove that sec A minus cos A into sec A plus cos A is equal to sin square A plus tan square B. Here also it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, which is equal to A square plus B square. Instead of A square we can write 6 square A minus instead of B square we can write cos square A. But we have 6 square A is equal to, from square relationship we have 6 square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. And instead of cos square A we can write 1 minus sin square A. By substituting these two relations here, instead of 6 square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A and minus cos square. Instead of cos square A, this is 1 minus sin square A. Again we can expand, that is 1 plus tan square A minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square A. Plus 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. Remaining part tan square A plus sin square A, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 16. Prove that cos A plus sin A whole square plus cos A minus sin A whole square equal to 2. So here this is in the form of A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. And the second part, cos A minus sin A whole square, that is in the form A minus B whole square, which is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now we can expand cos A plus sin A whole square, that is A square, that is equal to LHS. LHS is equal to cos A plus sin A whole square, that is cos square A plus 2AB. 2 into cos A into sin A plus B square, that is sin square A, plus second term A minus B whole square, that is equal to cos square A minus 2 cos A sin A plus sin square A. Now we have similar terms here. Cos square A plus sin square A, cos square A plus sin square A, this term, plus 2 cos A sin A and minus 2 cos A sin A got cancelled. Here 1 cos square A plus cos square, that is 2 cos square A plus sin square A plus sin square A, that is 2 sin square A. From these terms we can take 2 as a common factor. Then we will get 2 into cos square A plus sin square A. From square relation we have sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So this is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2, that is equal to the RHS. Question number 17. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. We have equation like cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A, tan A is equal sin A by cos A, and cot A is equal cos A by sin A. We can substitute these relations here in the LHS part. Then cosec A equal 1 by sin A minus sin A into, instead of sec A, 1 by cos A minus cos A into, instead of tan A, sin A by cos A plus, instead of cot A, cos A by sin A. Now, here denominator is different, cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A into 1 into 1, 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A divided by cos A into 1, that is cos A, into sin A by cos A by sin A, that is sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A whole divided by cos A into sin A. And we have 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A from square relation, that divided by sin A into, instead of 1 minus cos square A, we can write sin square A from square relation, that divided by cos A into, from square relation sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So instead of this we can write 1, that divided by cos A into sin A. Here cos square A and here cos A got cancel. Here sin square A and here sin A, that is sin A got cancel. And the remaining term here cos A into sin A into 1 by cos A sin A. Cos A got cancel, sin A got cancel. Then remaining 1, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 18. Prove that 1 by sec A plus tan A is equal sec A minus tan A. So we have the LHS 1 by sec A plus tan A. Now we can multiply both numerator and denominator by sec A minus tan A. Sec A minus tan A. Now our numerator term 1 into sec A minus tan A is equal sec A minus tan A whole divided by, denominator is in the form A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square. Now we can write it A instead of A square, that is sec square A minus B square, that is tan square A. Now sec A minus tan A whole divided by sec square A minus tan square A, that is equal to 1. Because from square relation we have sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So we got sec A minus tan A whole divided by 1, which is equal to sec A minus tan A, that is our RHS. Question number 19. Prove that cosec A plus cot A is equal to 1 by cosec A minus cot A. So LHS is equal cosec A plus cot A. Now this is by 1. Now we can multiply both numerator and denominator by the term cosec A minus cot A. Now numerator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. That is, instead of A square we can write cosec square A minus, instead of B square we can write cot square A whole divided by cosec A minus cot A. But we have cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1 from square relation. Now we can substitute this value here. Then we will get, instead of cosec square A minus cot square, we can write 1 divided by cosec A minus cot A, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 20. Prove that sec A minus tan A divided by sec A plus tan A is equal to 1 minus 2 sec A into tan A divided by 2 tan square A. Now LHS equal sec A minus tan A divided by sec A plus tan A. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by the term sec A minus tan A. So multiplication sec A minus tan A into sec A minus tan A whole divided by sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A. Now numerator is in the form of A minus B into A minus B, which is equal to A minus B whole square, also which is equal A square minus 2AB plus B square. And denominator A plus B into A minus B, that is A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. So we can substitute these relations here. So we will get A square A minus B whole square, that is sec A minus tan A whole square divided by sec square A minus tan square, that is A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. Now we can expand here. Sec A minus tan A whole square, that is sec square A minus 2 sec A tan A plus tan square A whole divided by sec square A minus tan square A. Now we have another relation, square relation, sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So instead of this sec square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A. Now sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A minus 2 sec A tan A plus tan square A whole divided by sec square A minus tan square A. Now we can expand this equation. 1 plus tan square A minus 2 sec A tan A plus tan square A. 1 minus 2 sec A tan A plus tan square A plus tan square A, that is 2 tan square A, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 21. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. And we have LHS equal sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. And this is in the form of A plus B whole square, and A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now we can expand the first term, that is sin A plus cosec A whole square. A square, that is sin square A plus B square, that is cosec square A plus 2AB, that is 2 into sin A into cosec A, plus here second term also in the form of A plus B whole square. We can expand. So A square, that is cos square A plus B square, that is 6 square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Here sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay. Then cosec square A plus 2 into sin A into cosec A. We can write cosec A in the form of 1 by sin A according to the reciprocal relation. Now plus 6 square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Instead of sec A, we can write 1 by cos A from reciprocal relation. So the whole term become 1 plus cosec square A plus 2 into sin A into 1 by sin A plus 6 square A plus 2 into cos A into 1 by cos A. So 1 plus cosec square A plus 2 into sin A got cancel plus 6 square A plus 2 into cos A got cancel. So here 1 plus 2 plus 2. So here 1 plus cosec square A plus 2 6 square A plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. Instead of cosec square A, we can write 1 plus cot square A from square relation plus 6. Instead of 6 square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A from square relation. Finally, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. Cosec square A, 1 plus cot square A, 6 square A, 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7, plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is equal to our RHS. Question number 22. Prove that sec square A into cosec square A is equal to tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. We have LHS equal to sec square A into cosec square A. From reciprocal relation, we have sec is equal to 1 by cos A. So, sec square A is equal to 1 by cos square A. And from reciprocal relation, we have cosec square A is equal to cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Then cosec square A will be 1 by sin square A. So, take it as equation number 1. Now, we can move to RHS part. RHS is given as tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. So, tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. 2 means 2 into 1. Then, tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into tan A cot A. Because we have tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So, if we are writing tan A into cot A, this is actually tan A into 1 by tan A. So, tan A got cancelled. So, the value will be 1 itself. So, there will be no change in the value of the whole equation. Now, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. Now, we can write it is in the form of a plus b whole square. That is tan A plus cot A whole square. Now, tan is equal to, from quotient relation, tan is equal to sin A by cos A plus cot is equal to cos A by sin A whole square. Denominator is different here, so we can cross multiply. Sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A whole divided by cos A into sin A. From square relation, we have sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, that divided by cos A into sin A. Whole square, there is a square. So, 1 square is equal to 1. Cos A square is equal to cos square A. Sin A square is equal to sin square A. Now, 1 by cos square A into sin square A. Now, this is put it equation number 2. Now, comparing with equation number 1 and equation number 2, both are similar. Hence, we can prove. Question number 23. Prove that 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos is equal to 2 cosec square A. LHS is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A. Here, denominator is different, so that we can cross multiply. So, 1 into 1 minus cos A is equal 1 minus cos A plus 1 into 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 plus cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Here, 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A whole divided by, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus cos square A. Now, here cos A minus cos A and plus cos A got cancelled. Remaining 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 1 square, that is 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square A from square relation, and 2 into 1 by sin square is equal to cosec square A from reciprocal relation, which is equal to the RHS. Question number 24. Prove that 1 by 1 minus sin A plus 1 by 1 plus sin A is equal to 2 sec square A. Here LHS is equal to 1 by 1 minus sin A plus 1 by 1 plus sin A. Cross multiply. Then 1 into 1 plus sin A is equal 1 plus sin A plus 1 into 1 minus sin A is equal 1 minus sin A. Whole divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Then 1 plus sin A plus 1 minus sin A. Whole divided by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sin square A. Plus sin A and minus sin A got cancelled. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to whole divided by 1 square, that is 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square A from square relation. Then we will get a 2 by cos square A, which is equal to 2 into 1 by cos square A is equal to 6 square A from reciprocal relation. Then we can write 2 by cos square is equal to 2 into 6 square A, which is equal to the RHS. Question number 25. Prove that cosec A whole divided by cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A divided by cosec A plus 1, which is equal to 2 6 square A. Now LHS is equal to cosec A divided by cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A divided by cosec A plus 1. Here denominator is different, so we can cross multiply. Then the first term will be cosec A into cosec A plus 1 plus cosec A into cosec A minus 1. Denominator cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1. And this is in the form A minus B into A plus B, and which is equal to A square minus B square. Numerator cosec A into cosec A, that is cosec square A, plus 1 into cosec A, plus cosec A into cosec A, that is cosec square A, plus into minus minus cosec A into 1 cosec A whole divided by, this is A square minus B square, that is cosec A square minus 1 square, that is 1. Here cosec square A plus cosec square A, that is 2 cosec square A, plus cosec A and minus cosec A got cancelled. And we have cosec square A minus 1 is equal to cos square A from square relation. Instead of cosec square A, we can write 1 by sine square A from reciprocal relation. So 2 into 1 by sine square A whole divided by, from quotient relation we have cos square A is equal to cos square A by sine square A. Now 2 by sine square A into reciprocal multiplication. So sine square A by cos square A. So sine square A and sine square A got cancelled. 2 by cos square A. 2 by cos square A. Then 1 by cos square A is equal to 6 square A, which is equal to our RHS.